In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your bio on Instagram. So if you want to direct or to show your link to other external pages or websites that you own, you can do so by adding a link to bio. To do so, head over to this icon here and then click on it to land on this page. Once you're here, you'll see an option called Edit Profile. Just tap on it, and I don't want to create my avatar, so I'll choose Not Now. And now you can see here my profile details. And if I scroll down here, you can see my bio is here. Under it, we have Add Link option. So if I go ahead and tap on Add Link, now I can go ahead and choose the option Add External Link because I want to add a link that is not from Instagram. I'll tap on it. So we shall go ahead and add our link here. And the link I want to add is my YouTube link. So I'll go back to YouTube and grab the link. And here's my YouTube link. I'll copy it, then head over to my Instagram, and now I'll paste it here. Great. And then under the title, I can just write YouTube. And once you're done, confirm by clicking on this tick, and it will be done. The link has been added. Now, if I go back to my profile, let us go ahead and see if the link was added successfully. And as you can see, here we go. The link is here. YouTube, a minute with AI. Great. Now, each and every person who visits my profile will be able to see my link, and they can easily connect to my YouTube channel by simply clicking on this link. So that's how you add a link on your bio on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.